we don't need approval of our SAP transport. It's almost a feeling I get when I talk with different customers and partners about how are they working with SAP integration, how they're transporting these things. And as always, yeah, we do import export, we do cloud LM, and then in there some guy that does not know anything about integration suite just say, okay, the numbers match with the emails. Like, dude, you have no clue about these things. And that's the important part. You as an integration architect want to know what's going on in your system. You want to know when your global SI developer is creating something, and you want to check, is that compliant with our guidelines? Is that something I want to support in the long run? If not, it's better to give them the feedback in the beginning instead of doing it after the project is completed. And that's the part about being able to approve at content level, at precise what's going on. It can also be your coworker for 15 years that wants some input about, is this the correct way we want to do it? Can we do it in a different way? That is also something where you want to say, okay, there is good ways to have these 4i principle on something like this. And this is what we have in the Figaf tool, one way that enable you to manage all of these different things and see what's being changed. So here I have a transport, and what I can see here is I can go in and look at the BPMN model, and I see what's precisely changed in this model from one version to another, and I can see, hey, it is this value that's changed to new secret bank. Maybe to check it out, we can also do it in a code version, and this just shows you the difference about just doing a code compare versus doing a BPMN compare. It gives you a lot more details about what's going on. And we can also check the configurations. Normally, in a lot of scenarios, this would be some external document that you go in and check. Here you have everything that is going to be applied, that would be applied, and this just reduces the risk of errors when you are going live with things, making it much more stable to work with the integration. And obviously all of this is logged, so you can see which transport related to which systems, all these things is logged and kept, so you know who approved things, you know, you can trace back and forth between all of these different things. I hope you want to explore and see how this can simplify the way you're working with your SAP integration, giving you a better way to work on the integration. So go sign up for the Figaf trial and see what it is like. Thank you.